All right. Alright, so this is what we have. I do think I'll have to definitely get another one or two of these and probably reorganize these a little bit because not all the pens can sit in there. I want them to be a little bit loose so they're easier to grab, and if they're like super tight then it's going to be annoying to like take pens out and put pens back. So I'll probably have to buy something else. I'm kind of surprised with the amount of blue pens I have. I don't know why there's enough to take up two. That seems a little strange to me. I really thought red would be the one that would have the most because I think every pack of pens comes with a red. But I do really like the way this looks. I'll be excited to reorganize, or not reorganize, but organize a little bit further once I get some more containers. But yeah, for now, this will have to do. I think next up I'm going to tackle my washi tape. So be on the lookout for a video of that, which should also be interesting, if this was even interesting. And then I'll also probably do a video on swatching my jelly roll pins. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll try and make that a priority. But this took entirely way longer than I thought it would, and I'm also probably gonna go ahead and swatch the colors as I have them, but maybe not. I don't know. I don't think that's really that necessary. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!